Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let to show to you the way how to repost someone else's Instagram story to be our own story. So the thing you have to do, open your Instagram application, and whenever you open it, make sure that you are stay in the home section. And this home section, you just need to jump into this top right corner. There will be two buttons right here, and one of them is inboxes. So you just need to go click this DM part or inboxes, and now you just need to go click someone who mentions you and open it. And now you just need to open the story that you mentioned from, and after that, to repost this photo, just go click add to your story. And now you can adjusting the size. If you want to make this like fulfilling all of your screen, just go click it so that the size will be adjusting to the screen of your account. So whenever you're done, go click this your story, and now you already repost the story from your friend. So that's the way how to repost the story in Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.